everyone, it's Jordan, your independent Pampered Chef consultant, and I just placed my own Pampered Chef order last week and it arrived today, so I thought it would be really fun to do an unboxing video. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. Let's start with this box. All right, I actually don't even remember everything that I ordered because I ordered a bunch of stuff. All right, so first thing I'm pulling out is the Toy Story pancake molds and stencils. My little boy loves Toy Story and his birthday is in 2 weeks, so I wanted to make sure that we did something special, and I'm gonna make Toy Story pancakes for his birthday. So that's the first thing. This is the large sheet pan. Oh, this is super sturdy. I bake a lot of cookies, like a ton of cookies. So I really wanted a new sheet pan that wasn't warped because I am obsessive with having perfectly flat cookies so I can ice them. The current catalog, that's just in this box. All right, this is the kale and fiber enrichables, because I'm trying to sneak some extra nutrition into my kids' muffins and smoothies and things like that. All right, up next, this is the Pampered Chef nylon knife. I'm super excited about this because you are able to use this right in your baking dishes without scratching the metal. So excited about this guy. Okay, up next, this is the snack bar maker. So I am really excited to show you how to make homemade granola bars, and I think we're gonna be making chocolate bars, especially for Valentine's Day coming up. So stay on the lookout for that. Okay, up next, this is the jar opener. My hands have been, like, I don't know if I'm getting arthritis or not, but it's been hard to open jars lately, so I really wanted this jar opener. There are lots of really good reviews on this for getting those hard to open jars open. Okay, up next, this is the Measure, Mix, and Pour. This is this month's guest free gift with purchase. If you spend over $80 on your order, this comes free. It's January 2021, just so you know. So that's what this is. I would have ordered this anyway because I've been eating a lot of salads lately, and I like to make my own salad dressing. And see, ooh, it's even got some of the recipes right on here with the fill lines. So that's pretty cool. This is the whipped cream maker. Let's open this up. See? Whipped cream, you just put your heavy whipping cream in here along with some powdered sugar and maybe a little bit of vanilla, and just pump it and you get fresh homemade whipped cream. You can also make butter in this. This is the Greek rub. I love the Pampered Chef spices and rubs. They are so delicious. Plus, I always like to make my orders at least the $150 to get free shipping. So if I'm a few dollars short, I like to throw in one of the spices because they're not expensive at all. Okay, up next, this is the 3-piece peeler set. So there's 3 different peelers in here, so you can have the traditional just peel where you take off the skin of your potatoes or carrots, and then there's also a serrated peeler that's like for making for getting the skin off of harder things like butternut squash, and then there's also the julienne peeler for making veggie noodles. This is the mini nylon serving spatula. This actually comes with the bar maker. Here's a little scoop. This goes with the kale, the Enrichables packs. So you can scoop that out. And then, oh yay, this is the simple slicer. This is one of the main things that I was looking forward to. So this is the Pampered Chef mandolin for making really thin slices of stuff. You know, I'm planning on slicing like chips and apples and onions. And so you just put your food right in here. This holds it in place, so it keeps your hand nice and safe. And then the blade right here makes super thin slices. So I think I was reading on, it might have been Good Housekeeping. I think that was the one that rated it. So that this is like the #1 mandolin on the market in terms of safety. So I'm all about that, especially because my kids are getting interested in cooking in the kitchen. So it's good to have safe things to cook with. Okay, and then this is the V-shaped baking pan set. Let's open this up. See what it looks like. We're actually done with that box. Let me get that out of the way. So this is the V-shaped pans. There's 2 of them. See, so you can, when you have those thin slices of potatoes or whatever, you can put them in here to make chips. Or this is really good for making taco shells. All right, lots of packaging. Keep everything nice and safe in here. Alrighty, I've got another catalog in there. And then I ordered some more rub. So this is the chili lime rub. I understand this is really good on pork chops, so that's on my plan for this week. And this is the Dijon mustard rub. And then this is, oh, the quick cooker glass lid. If you did not already know, the Pampered Chef quick cooker, which is a pressure cooker, can be turned into a slow cooker. So I think that they come with the lid right now. When I purchased the quick cooker, it did not come with this lid, so I went ahead and ordered this so I can slow cook it in there as well. See, there's the lid. All right. Up next is the Pampered Chef batter mixer and dispenser. Let me open this up to show you. This is something that I have been wanting for a very long time. Awesome sauce. All right, so this is super cool because if you're making brownies or cupcakes or pancakes, you can mix your ingredients right in here and like pump it up, it'll mix it, and then you just click on this handle and it dispenses the exact amount that you need for either a cupcake or a brownie or for a pancake. And it's good for saving time on making messes. You don't have as many dishes this way, and you have the exact same amount in every cupcake or brownie or whatever it is that you're making because it is pre-measured. So I'm really excited about that. And then a muffin pan because, like I said, I do a lot of baking. So I have a ton of muffin pans already, but I needed another one. And this one feels, it's super, super sturdy, which is awesome. All right, so that's it for box number 2. So this box right here, I am super excited about. This is something that I've been wanting for months. And I kept debating on whether or not to buy it or not, because this is one of the more expensive items. from Pampered Chef, and it is the Deluxe Cooking Blender. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this Deluxe Cooking Blender is on sale right now. If you are watching this video as soon as I post it, there's still a couple of days to take advantage of it. For January 2021, it is 25% off, but I hosted my own party, so I was able to take 50% off of that 25% off. So I was able to finally get this after debating for months, and like I really have been wanting it for like 6 months. So I'm so excited about this. I am actually going to be unboxing this by itself in a separate video, and we are gonna try to make some peanut butter and maybe some smoothies and other stuff. It cooks right in the blender too, so you can make soups, like pureed soups, sauces, jams and jellies, and what else is it that I was looking forward to? It cleans itself. There's a self-cleaning feature, so that is pretty gnarly. I can't wait to give this a test in just a moment. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you saw anything that looks interesting, I will have links in the description to where you can purchase it. Or if you are interested in throwing a virtual party, that is my jam. I would love to help you get some of this stuff for a discount or even for free. And we have multiple ways that you can do that. So leave a comment below and I'll send you a message and we can get all set up. And I've even got like, we could do this right away. I've got party templates already. So we could have you set up tomorrow if that is what you would like to do. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Leave this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel. Pop over to Facebook and, you know, let's connect. Talk to you soon. Bye.